So this is our first morning in Milan, and this is a view from our room. As you can see, it's very wet out there. And it's quite cold too. And because it's very wet, it's put a damper on things a bit.
Not really, at least it won't be hot.
Because we're off to Switzerland today. We're doing a day trip, which I had planned for months, so I wasn't expecting this wet weather, but yeah.
Don't forget it rained here yesterday too for a little while and it stopped in the afternoon.
Yeah.
So, could be.
But yeah, we're really excited to show you our day trip from Milan and back. And we're going to a place called Spears, I think it's called.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
And we're on the bus en route to our first stop.
So my name is Andrea, my colleague Anna, she helped me, and our driver is Domenico, that is going to take us to Domodossola and back to Milan. We just left the central station that everybody knows, of course here you stay in Milan. The weather is wonderful, as you can see.
Absolutely.
So now we go to the north, of course, to the Swiss border. We're going up to Domodossola, which is a city close to the border. We're going to catch the train in Domodossola. Changing bricks, we go to Spitz, and then from Spitz we walk down to the lake. And we're going to take a boat, and then we're going to take this cruise along the lake of Thun, and we stop at Interlaken. Interlaken means between two lakes.
We're in Domodossola, bit of the Alps. We're going to get coffee now. We're in Switzerland and we're going for a long tunnel that's about 3 or 4 kilometres, I'm not sure. Currently at Brigg and we're going to Spears on the next train.
Which way now? This way or?
I take it this way.
That way, okay.
Up or down, where do you want to go?
Go, it's easier. We're on this train to Spitz or Spears, or I don't know how to pronounce it, but we're going there now. We've got an hour trip, and we'll show you what Spitz looks like when we get there. I thought I'd give you a tour of the train. See, the seats are very comfortable. Not first class, but they're more comfortable enough. You can see they got a little self-serve area here. We've got coffee, a little vending machine. And they've got a bathroom on here. We're currently going through another tunnel, series of long tunnels. There's Ange, wave Ange. Swiss village. How beautiful is that with the river running through it? So here we are. Off the green train. So this is Spitz or Spitz or Spears. If you know how to say it properly, let us know in the comments.